Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about how you can get royalty-free images so you don't get a copyright strike on your videos or photos, etc. And I will also show you how you can earn money by just selling images. Isn't that amazing? Yeah, it sounds amazing. But as everything requires hard work, this also requires hard work. So, without wasting your time, let's get started. The first website I want to show you is 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹. 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹 is a website where you can get free images. If you need any type of image, you can get it from 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹. As you can see, there are thousands of images, and you can search for your required images, and you can also get royalty free videos as well. If you need a video, then you can get it from 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹. And now if you want to earn money through 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹, you can join them, and then you have to upload images on 𝗙cie𝗹𝗹, and whenever someone will buy that image, you will earn money. So this is the first website. Now let's go to our next website, that is called Unsplash, from where you can get royalty free images and videos, and you can also earn money through Unsplash by uploading your images. So whenever we'll buy that image, you will earn money. You can search the images as well, for example interiors, and it will show you the related photos. Alright, now let's go to our next website, which is called pexels.com. Alright, you can get royalty free images from Pexels, and you can also sell your images on Pexels as well. And you can search your desired images, and you can get it from here by just clicking on this download button, or click on the image and then click on free download, and the image will be downloaded for you. So if you want to sell your photos on Pexels, click on join, and then click on I want to contribute. Then create an account or join with Facebook. I am going to join with Facebook. Continue. And after successfully creating your account, now you can upload photos on Pixels. Now let's go to our next website, which is called Shutterstock. And Shutterstock is an amazing website. You can earn money through Shutterstock by uploading images, and you can also download from Shutterstock as well. If you want to download royalty free images, you can do that by just searching here. And if you want to earn money, then go to this link called submit.shutterstock.com, and then sign up or get started. Enter your name, password, then click I am not robot, obviously, and click on next. Now you have to verify your email. Let me verify my email. Okay, after successfully verifying your email, enter your address and then click on next. And now you can upload photos to Shutterstock. So it was easy to create an account, and you can check your dashboard here, and you can see your earnings here, and you can upload content on Shutterstock. Alright, now let's go to our next website, which is called freeimages.com. You can download images from freeimages.com for free. Click on the image and then click on free download. You can download image. Alright, that's it. I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Kindly like and share this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my future videos. Thanks, take care.